1. Zen out and zone out. If your cubicle is less than calming, take a minute to find a spot that is. Sit beneath a tree, for example. If you can't escape, add something soothing to your space. Maybe that's an aromatic cup of herbal tea or a cozy sweater. Or just focus on your potted plant for a spell and breathe. 2. Get some rays. Need a slightly sunnier outlook? Seek out some natural light. No, not the beer. Sunlight, whether through a window or outside, can douse your worries. Trusted source. 3. Stare out the window. Give yourself permission to do absolutely nothing but gaze. Looking at nature scenes like trees and public parks can be more relaxing than staring at a tech screen. But even if nature is nowhere near, just viewing the outside world for a few minutes might get you out of your own head. 4. Wrangle clutter. If you're feeling scattered, it could be because clutter has taken over. Sort the files on your computer desktop. If you're not at work, do a 5-minute refresh of whatever space you're in for a new outlook. Maybe that just means making the bed. Try a little mindful movement. 5. Put your feet up. If you've been sitting all day, the legs up the wall yoga pose will rejuvenate sluggish calves or feet and much more. The restorative effects of the posture can help settle both body and mind. 6. Stretch it out. You don't need a 90-minute yoga session to reap the benefits of stretching. You can do it when you've got to stay put anywhere or when you're on the go. 7. Get your heart rate up. The hustle and bustle of the day can leave you feeling burnt out. Getting the blood and endorphins flowing can reinvigorate you to tackle whatever task is at hand. Bust out some burpees, jumping jacks, or push-ups. Or just jog in place. Even brief bouts of exercise can help beat stress. 8. Go for a stroll. Walk to the coffee shop for your favorite pick-me-up or take Fluffy out to stretch his legs. A quick cruise around the block combines exercise with a change of scenery for a double whammy against worry. Flex your creative muscles. 9. Write it down. Putting your feelings on the page provides an outlet for what's on your mind. Try journaling about debt, work worries, or even peeves about your partner or roommate. Seeing the words might just give you a new perspective. 10. Listen to your favorite tunes. Surely you have a Spotify playlist to pep you up or soothe your soul. Crank it. Just listening to music has relaxation benefits. One study shows. Trusted source. And if you're not going to bug anyone else, go ahead and sing along. You know you want to. Hey, press that I button to watch similar helpful videos. Please like, share and subscribe to Everyday Infotainment. And if you have any suggestion, feel free to comment.